Hi guys, VST here, Valentine Tech. Welcome back on my channel. Before we start the video today, we have the International Women's Day. So congratulations out there to all the women, the mothers, the wives, the sisters, the grandmothers. This is for you. International Women's Day. Respect your wife or your mother, your sister, your colleagues, and etc. And now back with the video, guys. You can see I'm sharing right now the Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm inside my gallery. And there is something fundamentally wrong. And in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can fix this. Now, first, we need to understand what is wrong here. Take a look. I have a folder called camera screenshots, and then I have some folders after my social media and etc. But inside camera, I got everything. I get all the photos and I get all the videos there. And that's not convenient. If you have been using iPhone or some other Android phones, you will notice that there is a nice distinction between photos and videos and not have everything into the camera. That's, by the way, the same problem here also on this Google Pixel device. It's the same, you know, like you go into the gallery, Google Photos, and then you have everything in one. But what if I tell you that Samsung actually thought about it? So they really have thought about it and there is a way to fix this. Now, I'm not sure why this is not stuck. If you ask me, it should be stuck. Now, how can you fix this? Very easy, guys. Open Galaxy Store, search for something called the Samsung Video Library. All right, install it. And I'm going to show you what happens after we install it. Now, this Samsung Video Library actually provides you with the option to not only play, but also store your video content in a very distinctive way. For me, that's quite convenient. Let's open it. When you open it, you're going to get access to all of your videos. When you go back to videos, you have the options to represent them like this. You can also choose styles. And of course, you can play the videos from here. So let me just play this one. I just recorded that one. It works. And now, guys, now the best moment of this, let's go back now and check our gallery. When you open your gallery, you can immediately go to your albums and then you see that you have a hamburger here. When you press the hamburger, you're gonna get videos. Let's click on videos. All your videos, guys, are gonna be here. You can click the three dots here, go edit, you can must select them, you can delete them, you can create also some funny things. When you hit create here, you can create a movie and highlight reel. I'm even not sure why Samsung are not pushing this as a stock application part of everything directly from One UI 3.1. Anyway, it's really for Samsung to decide if they want to include this. Listen to me, go download this and optimize your experience with working with the Samsung stock gallery. If this video is helpful to you guys, that a sub will be really much appreciated. Stay safe, you and your family, and yeah, we're gonna catch up in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.